It's frozen solid.
Let's see here.
It's frozen.
I can't cut it.
Todd, I know your fried chicken is amazing, but I have to tell you, we are the experts in fried chicken.
Uh-oh.
We make the most mouth-watering, crispiest, crunchiest, super bestest fried chicken in the world. It's actually ice cream!
These ice cream treats are what we call not fried chicken.
It's really
It's
good.
really delicious.
We take waffle ice cream, insert a chocolate pretzel bone, dip it in caramelized white chocolate, and roll it in cornflakes.
I can't believe it's not chicken.
Honestly, I thought it was, and it's just frozen.
Sharks, we're seeking a $250,000 investment for 5% equity in our company.
I am out.
It's not deep fried enough yet to really invest in. That's the problem. I'm sorry, guys. I'm out.
For those reasons, I'm out.